Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we bring you the next video in our community poll food series. Thanks to everyone who voted. With a narrow lead of 2%, today we craft a cheesecake dessert, but not just any cheesecake, an Oreo Dream Extreme cheesecake. Shout out to Jessica Huang for the suggestion. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! The key to recreating this cheesecake are the different textures for each layer. For the chocolate biscuit base, cut 2 circles from cardboard. Mark out the size you'd like for your slice, then cut this triangular piece away from both circles. Glue your 2 cardboard cake and slice pieces together. Cover all over with more liquid glue, then drape a sheet of tissue paper over the cardboard to create texture. Repeat with 3 to 4 layers of tissue paper. Do the same for your cake slices. When the glue has dried, paint the cake and slice a dark brown. We used burnt umber acrylic paint. For the next 3 layers, we used Daiso brand air dry clay since it has minimal shrinkage. Brown for the fudge layer, white for the cookie mousse, and yellow for the cheesecake. On a non-stick surface, roll out a sheet of clay in each colour. The thickness will vary. Our white and brown clay layers are 5 mm and the yellow clay 1 cm thick. Using a cap, the same diameter as our biscuit base, cut out a circle. Use your base as a guide to cut corresponding cake slices from each colour of clay. This is what we have so far, but our extreme cheesecake needs toppings. For Oreo biscuits, cut or punch circles from black and white cardstock. For each cookie, you will need 2 black discs for the base, 4 white for the cream, and another 2 for the top. Stack and glue together. Make more full cookies and also quarter-sized pieces. Carefully push the smaller pieces into the center of your cheesecake layer where the filling is visible. Do the same with your cake slice. We can now assemble the cake. Cover the base with liquid glue and position the fudge layer. Next, place the cheesecake and on top of this, the white cookie mousse. For the cookie detail, cut tiny pieces of black fun foam. Place them randomly along the exposed edges of the white clay. You may wish to apply liquid glue first to ensure they stick to the clay. Do the same for your cake slice. To make milk chocolate icing, we are using silicone. Pre-made brown deco cream or brown puffy paint would also work for this step. Squeeze the silicone into a plastic baggie and add your brown paint. Mix thoroughly. The colour will lighten when fully combined. Push the mixture into one corner of the bag, seal it closed and twist. Cut the tip when ready to pipe. But first, we need to make the choc chip drops. Take brown puffy paint and squeeze out little drops on a non-stick paper. Pull the nozzle straight up and flick quickly to make the stringy bit at the peak of each choc chip. If you don't have puffy paint, you could also cut super small circles of brown fun foam using a brad punch. Before icing, we covered the exposed layers with low tack tape. Now, pipe your cream around the outside edge first. To make it easier, we have the cake on a makeshift turntable. We also used more low tack tape to stick the cake in place. Use a popsicle stick to smooth out the silicone. Repeat for your cake slice. Following this, outline the top of the cake to define the cut area. Then flood with your cream. Take your time to smooth out the mixture and blend the top with the side edge. To match the Oreo cake design, pipe dollops of cream. We did 5 on the cake and 1 on the slice. Then lean your cookie against them. When your silicone has semi-hardened, you can add the choc chip bits. Apply a thin layer of liquid glue, then place your choc chip pieces on the side edge. When the glue has set, you can peel away the low tack tape to reveal your multi-layered cheesecake. We hope you have enjoyed our American Girl doll food series. Thanks again for voting and let us know in the comments what theme you'd like to see for our next poll. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!